Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to use Google Meet on a Google Chat for video conference. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat first. So if you have no idea what is symbol of Google Chat application, this is the symbol of or the icon of Google Chat, and then you just need to click to open. So and then for the next we just need to decide to whom that we want to send the Google Meet to. If you want to send the Google Meet into your friends, you just personally you just need to click the friends chat room, and after that you just need to go take a look on this plus button down here, and after you click it you just need to go click Meet link, and after you're done you just need to go click send. And you can also add several information related to what you already sent before into your friends. For example, meeting start at 11. Okay, and then you just need to click send. Okay, so if you want to send the Google Meet into the space or your group chat, you just need to go click this part or this section to reach out the groups that you already have, and then you just need to decide which group that you want to send the Google Meet to, and after that you just need to go do the same by click the plus button, and after that go click Meet link, and now you just need to go click send. So that's all the way how to use Google Meet on a Google Chat. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.